So this is how we charge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see guys how is the box of MacBook Neo. How beautiful the box is here. Is written MacBook Neo. This is pink color. You can see Apple logo, very faded light. And behind you can see here we have one tag and another tag to open, and all the information is written. This is memory of 8 gigabytes inside, 512 gigabytes of capacity. MacBook Neo 13 inches in this case. Serial number, the information, California, made in China as usual. Lovely, beautiful, the always premium box from Apple, you can see guys. So we're gonna take this tag off from here. Let's see. And from the top as well. And we'll unbox to see how it is. Let me open this one. Wow, beautiful looking machine. We can see here hello is written, wrapped in a paper. You can see how it is. Lovely white paper. Go inside the box. Here we have manual sticker, other things, MacBook Neo. No more Apple sticker these days, so that is. And we have a cable to charge. This one is C port. In this case, C port cable. No more charger for this computer. So I'm gonna unwrap this one from behind. See how it is. Put here, and it will go out all the way. Wow, beautiful machine in this case. Light pink in color, magnificent. Apple logo, you can see how beautiful this one. You can see guys the body here, beautiful body, very premium finishing of this Mac. I've unboxed many Macs in the past, but this looks very beautiful. Okay, beautiful design. This is heavy, because if you think it's MacBook little bit light, but it's heavy, very strong I feel here. So let's see the ports. We have 2 ports here, C port, all of them, no USB in this case. It's a slim machine. So all the Mac we have these days C port, okay, nothing else. Here we have 3.5mm jack hole. This is good thinking, because you need a jack hole, you need to use your headset or other things directly, because all the time Bluetooth, they are not so much reliable, whatever. We have a hole for a speaker this side. Okay, at the middle we don't have anything, only we have a place to open your MacBook, nothing else. This side we have one hole of a speaker. In this case they can put 2 ports more. Other Mac they have different ports, but in this case we don't have any port. This side you can see, but beautiful premium body. Here at the back side, this is some exhauster. The heat will pass from this, although this will not heat a lot because it has A18 Bionic chip. That doesn't heat a lot. So more information written. Look at the color guys, beautiful this one. I show you this way, beautiful. So I'm gonna put this one and I will open for the first time. Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Can open with one hand. This is the beauty of Apple product. And here we go. We have a paper. Take this off from here. See? Easy, lovely paper. And it says hello, hola, in different languages. It's a beautiful machine guys. You can see how beautiful rose version. The keyboards you can see, I will show you more closer. You can see the keypad. How beautiful the keys, as Mac usual. These are the fingerprint reader in this case. 256 version doesn't have, this is 512 version. So better to buy this one, not only for the memory, also for fingerprint scanner. Typical Mac touchpad you have, beautiful, very sleek. Here you see the notch, here beautiful. And the display, magnificent of Mac display. Obviously you have webcam here. hidden somewhere. Okay, here we go. I think this one is webcam. First of all, you have to choose your language. Yeah, here is Spanish.
Per utilitzar el català com a llengua principal.
Whenever.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
So you click, they will talk. The AI will talk. I hit English UK here. Then I hit next button. Okay, now you choose the country where you are at the moment. I'm living in Spain. So hit continue button to your country. For Mac, now is the important part. You can transfer your data from another Mac, okay, from a Windows computer set up with your phone or iPad. So depend as you want, set up as a new also you can do. I have iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I want, I can do the setup directly. So I'm gonna set up this one with my iPhone or iPad. I hit this one. I hit continue button. That will be easy. Looking for nearby device. My iPhone here, you see, now we'll continue to the phone. This is one of the most easiest way you can do that. Sets up a new Mac. So I hit continue button here. And we have to scan, you see, we have to scan this code. It will take input sources. Everything looks good. Hit continue button here. Not now. You have to put the password of our internet here. Let's see. It's connecting. Meanwhile, my phone is also working. So I put the phone here nearby. I hit continue button. My name appear is very easy. When you connect, you have to put a password to connect. So I will put similar password. I hit continue button in this case. Let's see. Apple makes this thing very easy. So connect with your Mac. You don't need to create any new Apple ID. With the same setup, you can do that. If you don't know how to make an Apple ID, if you don't have Apple ID, check the video description. I have tons of video how to make Apple ID on Mac, on Windows, on iPhone or every device. Many video on that. So we are continue to the process. You see Apple setup is getting ready. We have to wait a little bit, but this will be more faster than you create everything new. So I have read term and condition. Hit agree on that. My name appear, my photo as well, Harry Jeffrey in this case. And the time also appear here at the corner. No pop-up time, but it will fix. Now find my, here I hit continue button. Here my phone, you see transfer completed. Every data is there. Okay, location, service, other things if you want. Customize, match setting, I leave as it is. Apple Intelligence, if you want to do Apple ID, yes or not, depends on you. I hit skip. Then Touch ID you can set up now, you can do later. Set up Touch ID later. Hit continue. Apple Pay option, I put set up later. Put your card, anything if you want to buy or sell. You can see welcome skin and we continue. We have to wait, it's loading. We hit get it started. Wow, beautiful looking MacBook here. Almost the same as any other Mac. So I'm gonna open Safari. Here we go. All my information I think is imported. I hit YouTube. Here I will put a 4K video here, 4K nature. Here they're saying one device is connected to my account. Hit OK there. That's all. Here you can click done button. It's done. And we can put 4K wall video out. Some advertisement because it's not connected to any account.
The world's first longevity band.
Beautiful display. You see here, magnificent. Nice. sound quality is very vibrant and realistic in this case. So this is the way you can set up your MacBook Neo for the first time via your phone or without your phone by creating a new Apple ID. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.